Deputy Chief Justice, as you and the members of the court will be aware, we are in a strange situation where the applicant for leave to appeal has not complied with this court's directives. No record of appeal has been filed, and in consequence thereof, no heads could have been submitted either by the applicant himself and certainly not by the respondents. However, from the affidavits that have been filed by my client and together with the affidavits filed by the client, my learned friends' clients, the court will be aware that we collectively take the attitude that this application as it stands before the court today is fatally defective and that it should be struck from the roll with costs. And certainly in the position of my client, it should be struck with the costs of 2 counsel where so employed.
Thank you, Mr. Permit. Mr. Bishop.
Thank you, Acting Deputy Chief Justice. We align ourselves with the submissions made by Mr. Premed. The matter, there's no record, no written argument has been filed. The matter should be struck from the roll with costs, and again, including the costs of 2 counsel where so employed.
Thank you, Mr. Bishop. Ms. Mutlasedi.
Acting Deputy Chief Justice, our position is similar to that advanced by the Democratic Alliance and the EFF. Our position is that the manner in which this application has been brought before this court is defective, and we're not in a position we've not been placed in a position to make oral or written submissions. And we agree that it should therefore be struck from the roll with cost of 2 counsel.
Thank you, Ms. Mutlasedi. Mr. R10.
Well, Acting Deputy Chief Justice, our position is that we abide the decision of the court.
Acting Deputy Chief Justice and Justices, all counsel are online.
Thank you. This court grants the following order. The matter is struck off the roll with costs, such costs to include the cost of 2 counsel were employed.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
Well, there you have it, the matter struck off the roll. And that's how we say goodbye.